I figured it'd be cool to start a YouTube channel. People of the internet, you're all new to me and I'm new to you because this is the first video I'm posting ever. This is gonna be the progress of me and a couple of friends and our cars. This is my 1988 Nissan 200SX Turbo. There's the new motor. There's the old motor. I blew up the old motor. So we're gonna put in a CA20 with a turbo on it from a 1984 Nissan 200SX. One of my good friends donated this very kindly. This is going to become the new home for the car. I'll throw in a little time lapse of me cleaning the garage. Today we're gonna put struts on the car. Primitive tools of choice. Impact, big fucking hammer, big fucking pipe wrench, these dinky little things. Okay, this is what we're dealing with. I've converted my car to S13 front suspension, so I need to run S13 struts. S13 springs, like stock springs or lowering springs, too wide. Coilovers, don't want to deal with anymore. Probably gonna run those Swift springs, because I really like them. Good quality, good name brand, good shit. These are old stock S13 struts. I'm gonna use this and these bump stops that I had custom made. Oh yeah, all four of my top hats are bad. The S13 bearings go to shit really easily. Look how tiny it is. I'm going to rig S12 bearings along with these guys. Got one assembled, but I don't really like it. The added length of this means that I have preload at the lowest setting. I'm gonna cut this lower perch off, leave this weld on, and that should give me the inch that I'm looking for. Alright, so these are all clean. Got new grease in the bearings. These I don't care about because I'll just order new ones later. This is day 2 of the struts. I wanted to throw some paint on them, so they've been drying overnight. Got the front struts assembled. I forgot to drill the lower knuckle bolt holes to 14mm because my S13 knuckles are modified to take 14mm bolts. I got the struts installed on the car. Kind of cool to see actually because it's a monster truck and I'm pretty sure that's stock ride height, but it's got no motor in it right now. So what I'm gonna do real quick is throw some insulation into the garage because I got the ceiling all done. Focus. 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 Put a ceiling in the garage, that way it's a little bit warmer. I'm working on getting a sub panel installed and big ass heater. This thing is almost ready. I just need to throw some ceramic coating on the exhaust manifold and a couple spots where I had to weld the nuts and stuff like that into. I guess I'll throw the water pump pulley on real quick.